breathe in and out
around the front.
Herself and the boat. Okay, moving towards the right hand side. Yeah, so she'll push. That's my favourite, that one. I reckon. Straight towards us.
Guarda, vieni, 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 vieni.
Right. Be interesting, you know, that sky on that whale in front of the dorsal fin. That could be, it could have been.
Oh! Wow!
Yeah.
Oh my god! Wow. Go in front of me, sweetheart. Go in there.
It's a birthday. Heading straight to the platform.
Shh. Come on in.
Then there's no nipple connection as such. The mum has mammary glances, so she'll spread out that milk. The carpal form. In front of the dorsal, you see a massive scar. You can see a bit of white, but when it is closer, it goes all the way in. So it could be damaged from a lot of things. Could be an old wound, because that has happened before, but that dorsal, look how red raw it is. That foot is just scraped off there.